Direct replacement. This vent window latch is designed to match the fit and function of the original latch on specified vehicles. Restores functionality. This latch is made to fit and fully restore part functionality after the original latch fails. Durable construction. This part is made from quality materials to ensure reliable performance and long service life. Trustworthy quality, backed by team of product experts in the United States and more than a century of automotive experience. Cost-effective, has similar performance to part that originally came on vehicle, but is priced far below getting replacement from dealership. This vent window latch is designed to match the fit and function of the original latch on specified vehicles, and is engineered for durability and reliable performance. Top reviews from the United States. One of my best investments for my sanity. No more whistle. I bought these skeptical, but figured they were worth a shot. I put vent window seals in my 1973 F100, and it didn't make a difference with whistling and wind noise. I installed these near the top of the wing window, and shimmed the factory lever at the bottom. Silence. I've got another set for my 85D 150. We'll see if I am as happy with that one, but I am confident I will be.